Good morning, students. Let's start today chapter 9, profit and loss. So we will learn in this chapter about the profit, loss, cost price, selling price, how to find out the profit percentage, loss percentage. Okay, first of all, understand what do you mean by cost price. What is cost price? So many times you go to the market to buy something. Suppose you buy a notebook at rupees 45. So we will say that this 45 rupees is the cost price of the notebook. Okay, so what is cost price? The price at which an article is bought is known as the cost price. Any article is bought, that price is called the cost price. But this same price is what for the shopkeeper, because shopkeeper is selling at this price and you are buying this at this price. So for you this is cost price, but for the shopkeeper what is this? It is selling price, because he is selling at this price. Okay, so what is selling price? So the selling price at which an article is sold is known as selling price. Suppose this article, this means notebook you have bought, that is at rupees 45, and you want to sell this notebook to your friend, but you want to sell this notebook at rupees 50 to your friend. So you want to sell it, so it is your selling price, and selling price here you can see 50 is more than 45. So whenever the selling price is more than the cost price, in this case there is profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, because in the case of profit, selling price will always be bigger than the cost price. So we will always subtract cost price from the selling price in the case of profit. Okay, so you can see here how to find out the profit and loss. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, but in the case of loss, always the cost price will be bigger than the selling price, because in case of loss what happens, the shopkeeper sells the item at loss, then his cost price will be bigger than his or larger than the selling price, because in this case he will sell the item at the less price than he has bought the item from anywhere. Okay, so loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So in the case of profit, SP minus CP. In the case of loss, CP minus SP. SP means selling price, CP means cost price. This is the short form of CP. Okay, the cost price. This is the short form of selling price, SP. So note down these two formulas. Suppose you have to find selling price in this case, in the case of profit. So this CP will move that side. So you can create a formula by yourself, profit plus cost price. Whenever in the case of profit you have to find out the selling price, then selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. And in the case of loss, what will be the selling price? CP minus loss. This SP will move that side, loss can come this side, cost price minus loss. Okay, similarly you can find out the cost price in the case of profit. Cost price will be equal to what? Selling price minus profit. And in the case of loss, cost price will be equal to what? Loss plus selling price. Note down all this formula. These formulas are very helpful for you. Okay, now profit percent is equal to, whenever you have to change the profit into profit percentage, then what we will do, profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. Okay, profit will be up, cost price will be down into 100. And to find out the loss percentage, loss by CP into 100. Loss up, cost price down into 100. In both the case, cost price will be in the denominator. Got it? Now let's see one question, you will understand it better. Rahul buy 4 meter cloth for rupees 2400. He buys the cloth at rupees 2400, means 2400 is the cost price for him, because he is buying this, and sells the same cloth. After buying, he sold the same cloth at rupees 3300. Okay, he sold it to somebody at rupees 3300. Find the profit or loss percent. First of all, write down the cost price of cloth. What is the cost price of cloth? That is 2400. And selling price is also given. Selling price of cloth is equal to 3300. So just see the selling price, that is 33, and cost price is 2400. Which is greater? Selling price is bigger. If selling price is bigger, means there is a profit. Okay, so profit is equal to, we know what is the formula, selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. So 3300 minus 2400. Just subtract it. We will get here 900. Profit we have got 900. Now you have to change this profit into profit percentage. So I have given you now only formula, profit by CP into 100. So profit by CP into 100. What is profit? 900. And what is cost price? That is 2400. Cost price will be down. Okay. Now 0 will get cancelled. You can cancel this by the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. Now 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Okay. 2 2s are 4. So we will get here 75 by 2 percentage, because now we have changed this into percentage. You can change this into mixed fraction also, but this will be at this with this symbol, percentage symbol, because you have to find out the percentage, profit percent. So to find out the profit percent, we will first find the profit. After that, change this into profit percentage. Got it? So let's see the exercise. Exercise 9.1. Question number 1. Selling price and cost price is given. So by seeing the cost price and selling price, you can say that it is a case of profit or case of loss. Selling price, you can say selling price is more than the cost price. Means this is a case of profit. So you will apply the profit formula. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. And here cost price is more than the selling price. So this is a loss case. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. So you have to find the profit percentage. So first you will find out the profit. After that, change this into profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100, as we have done now only. Question number C. 1400 is the cost price. Selling price is 1200. In this case also, cost price is more than the selling price. So you will find out the loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. After that, you will change that loss into loss percentage. Loss by CP into 100. Okay. Similarly, you can do this. Question number 2. By selling an article for rupees this, a shopkeeper suffered a loss of 15%. If he sells an article at rupees this, means this is a selling price, and shopkeeper suffered a loss. Loss is given in percentage. Loss percentage is given. Find the cost price of the article. We don't know the cost price. We have to find out the cost price. So in this case, what we will do? We will let the cost, question number 2 of exercise 9.1. Let the cost price of article be X. We will let it X. And we know what is the loss percentage. Loss percentage is given 15%. And what is given the selling price? Selling price is 2720. Okay. Now change this loss percentage into loss. So we will change this into loss. So loss is equal to loss percentage of CP. 15% of CP. Whenever you have to change the profit percentage into profit or loss percentage into loss, you will multiply this percentage with cost price only, not with selling price. Okay, always. So 15 by 100 into CP, and we have let the CP as X. So we will write here X. Just cancel out this. You can see 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 3x by 20. We will get this. Loss is equal to 3x by 20. Now we know the loss, we know the selling price, and we know the cost price, that is X. So with the case of loss, what happens? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, and loss we know that is 3x by 20, and cost price is X and selling price is 2720. We have to find out the value of X. So what we will do in this case, you can change this position of this x you can keep one side. It is in plus, it will come this side, it will come in minus, and this is in minus, it will go this side, so it will change into plus. So 2720 is equal to, you can take the LCM, it will be 20x minus 3x. So 2720 is equal to 20 minus 3, we will get 17x by 20. Then this 20 is in divide, it will go this side, it will come in multiply, and this is in multiply, it can come down. We can get the value of X by cancelling it. We can cancel this by 16 times. 17 into 16 we will get this, okay. So 16 2 ja, and this 0 will come here, okay, and 272. This 0 will left here, okay. So 0 0 we will get here 20, and 16 2 ja 32. This is the value of X. X means cost price, as we have let the cost price as X. So in the same manner you have to do the other questions also. Question number 3. The selling price of an article is 25,000 and its cost price is 3/5 of its selling price. Selling price 3/5 means 3 by 5 into selling price. We will get its cost price by doing this. Multiply this 2. Whatever the answer will come, you will get its cost price. And selling price is also given. If you know the cost price, if you know the selling price, then you have to find the gain or loss. Like this, if you know the cost price, if you know the selling price, you can find out the gain or loss. Okay. So rest of the question you have to try these questions also. If not, solve it. If you will not be able to solve, then I will help you, but you have to try it first. Okay.